Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you table placement, bigger size. You can easily to change smaller or bigger. Let us start the pattern. For this table mat I am using light wool 3 ply and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook I am using for this table mat. In my previous video I have completed circular spiral table mat design, video link in the description box. Make a loop, chains 1 2 3 4 5 chains, slip stitch, make a circle. In the circle make 8 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 single crochet 8 in the circle. In the first single crochet make 1 slip stitch, make a puff in the same stitch, 2 chains, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 together, double crochet, make a cluster, chain 1 and in the next stitch make a cluster, double crochet 2 together, chain 1, repeat 8 times, cluster, chain 1, double crochet 2 together in the single crochet stitch and chain 1, repeat 8 times, then slip stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times, chain 1, slip stitch in the first cluster, slip stitch in the middle of cluster, 2 chains, we don't count this, row 2 chains, we don't count. In the same circle 3 double crochet and continue work. In each space make 3 double crochet. In the middle 3 double crochet. I have completed second row 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. I have 24 double crochet, slip stitch in the stitch here. And next row 1 2 row 3, 2 chains, in the same stitch make 1 double crochet, chain 1, repeat double crochet, chain 1, in the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, continue and follow the same work around. I have completed 1 2 3 row, chain 1 and slip stitch, first double crochet, row 4, 2 chains, we don't count, in the same stitch double crochet, in the middle of space double crochet 2, in the next double crochet make 1 double crochet, in the space double crochet 2, continue and follow the same work around, then slip stitch. I have completed 1 2 3 4 row, make 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch, 2 chains, we don't count these 2 chains, double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, 2 chains, skip the next double crochet, in the next double crochet make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, skip next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, chain 2, skip next stitch, 1 double crochet, next stitch, repeat and continue the same work around. I have completed 1 2 3 4 5 row in the circle. In the space 2 chains, we don't count these 2 chain, and make a double crochet. 1 2 3 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the next chain space. Repeat and continue the same work around. In the next chain space, make a shell, double crochet 3 and 1 chain, double crochet 3, make a shell in the space, double crochet 3, 1 chain and double crochet 3, and 1 double crochet in the next middle of chains. Follow the same work around. I have completed 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is row 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. I have 16 shells in the pattern circular table mat, and slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch and slip stitch in the next 2 double crochet stitches in the middle of shell, make a slip stitch and follow the same work. Row 7, 2 chains and double crochet 3, make a shell in the same space, chain 1, double crochet 3. In the double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet, and in the shell, make a shell, double crochet 3, 1 chain, double crochet 3, and 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. Continue and follow the same work around. I have completed 7 row, same number of shells, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Make 1 slip stitch in the double crochet stitch and slip stitch in the next 2 double crochet, slip stitch in the middle of shell. Now from here repeat the 7 row for the pattern. 2 chains and make a shell in the middle of shell, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the next double crochet stitch. Now from here in the middle, make a shell, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet and 1 double crochet, next double crochet. Now from here repeat and continue row 7 for the pattern of this circular design. For the circular table mat, I have completed 1 2 3 4 5 round in one color, and the shell 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 row, and this is row 11. 1 2 3 4 5 round shell we have completed, and the last row 11 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 double crochet in the middle of shell, chain 1, double crochet 1, chain 1 and 7 double crochet in the next middle of shell. I have done and completed 11 row. Start in the stitch in the shell, make 1 single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, 3 4 5 6 7 in the chain, single crochet. In the post of the double crochet, 3 single crochet. In the next double crochet post, from top to down, make a single crochet 3. From top to down, single crochet 3, post of the double crochet. In the middle of chain, make 1 slip stitch and turn, make a slip stitch in each stitch across. Turn and slip stitch in each stitch across. Okay, now from here repeat and continue the same work around, single crochet in each of the next chain, single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 stitches and 1 single crochet in the next middle of chain and post of the double crochet, single crochet 3 as we work here, post of the double crochet, single crochet 3, now from here repeat and continue the same work around, single crochet, post of the double crochet 3, then slip stitch and turn as we work here, make 1 slip stitch in each single crochet across, then follow the same work around, then slip stitch and finish a circular design. Okay friends, I have finished and completed a table mat design. Written pattern link in the description box. You can easily to change the size, smaller or bigger. Medium size table mat design I have completed in this video tutorial. Like and share this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.